All right, so one of the biggest selling points of this auto leveling laser is the fact that it's being able to be used outside in bright situations. Now, obviously it's not gonna work if it's extremely bright. No matter what laser you get, it's not gonna be bright enough. But compared to a traditional red laser, the green laser is supposed to have a little bit better visibility in that direct or brighter sunlight. So you can see here on the wall, we've got our super bright wall, and then we've got a little bit of shadow here. Now this is still pretty bright on here. It's middle of the day, it's like 1 o'clock, so even the shadow part is pretty bright. And you can kind of see here, once it gets into the brightest part, it is quite difficult to see even with the laser being up this close. However, if there is a bit of shadow, you see a clear, bright green line. And the camera may be flickering that light, but in person, it's just a solid green line. So you're able to really see it again in these shadows right here, and in the bright, direct sunlight against the wall right here, it isn't as apparent. Now, one of the cool things about this laser is the fact that it's also going to come with this receiver, which you can use this in any situation. So I think the receiver has about a 200 to 300 foot radius where it can still detect the laser. So if you're standing extremely far back and you can't see the laser, then you can just use this receiver. So let's go down the line real quick. You can see how bright it is here, and as we start to get away, it fades off to about right here. So I think this is kind of the cutoff point, and you can see that's about 10 to 12 feet from the laser, which I feel like is pretty good, especially being the fact that we're in really bright sunlight. I mean, majority of the time, if you are doing this in midday, you're most likely gonna be using this receiver. So if you're looking for an auto leveling laser that is extremely bright even in the outside, then I would definitely recommend this one.